to today's daily cipher. So the daily cipher for today is DEFI, DEFI. So first thing first, click on Hamper tab 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So we go to the DEFI to the daily cipher dashboard. So we are actually working on within the range of this cycle, so we can press anyone. So for the benefit of those that are just watching this video, if you want to press dash, you click on the screen, you will hold for like 2 seconds, then you lift your hand as dash. Then if you want to click on dot, just tap, you get it. Now if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe and make sure you like the video and drop your comment in the comment section. So now the first letter, which is D is dash dot dot, 1 dash 2 dot dot. So let's get started. So that's our letter D. Then E is just 1 dot. We get at letter D. The F, 2 dots, 1 dash 1 dot. So we have our letter F. Then the last one, I, 2 dots. So we got it correctly. So that's our daily cipher for today. So I want to see you in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video. So we're going to wait for tomorrow for more updates.